Back to Joy. Joy into the net.
Oh boy.
2-point lead for Signal. This one isn't over yet, though. We'll be back. Stay with us. This is the Philippine Superliga. This sports special is brought to you by Petron Blaze 100, Euro 4 high-performance gasoline meets European fuel quality standard. From Petron, the only Filipino oil refinery in the Philippines.
Hi, I'm Gretchen O from Team Petron. Please watch Superliga only here on Solar Sports.
All right, for you Twitter fans out there, follow us on Solar Sports and, of course, the hashtag Superliga. Ask PSL if you have any questions for your favorite players, and PSL on Solar Sports. Those are the hashtags to follow on Twitter. Of course, the Superliga also has its own Twitter account, Superliga_. So you can also follow me at Noel Zarate. You can follow Noreen Go when she goes into her car and goes home because she has no Twitter account. 16-14.
I'm so primitive.
Well, you and Ivy Remulla, you should join the fun.
Join the dark side of the force.
Join the hashtag community if you want. Venus Bernal right now to serve for the HD Spikers. They are up by 2 and they're also up 2 sets to nothing against the undefeated Rising Suns from Cagayan Valley. Semana, Benito, Hendrauli, Argarin, and Rowley again, and Jonella cannot get it back.
That's right. You know, she Hendrauli, nothing really spectacular. It's really just her follow-through after. Look at that. Look at that.
It's also, you gotta credit half that point also to Arian Argarin with that perfect set. Here's Venus. Into the net again. Venus struggling with her serve. Here's the substitution we've been waiting for. Venus Bernal will take a breather. And coming in is the pint-sized phenom herself, April Sartin, also a former member of the University of Perpetual Help System Delta. So how many are they now? We got Jonella, you have Tubino. Well, Sandra is on the bench right now, and you have Sartin. So there's 4 of them right now. I believe that's all 4 of them already in the league. Semana. Cases off the block.
Finally, she breaks her silence.
Yeah. And sort of get used to her with the short hair, too.
I know.
She used to have that kind of a ponytail like Jen Reyes, the high ponytail.
High one, yeah.
Yeah. Bang Pineda. Tubino. And Rowley off the block. Jonella is there. Semana across. Cases off the block. Jen Reyes keeping it alive. Tubino. Jonella. Yeah, the liberos are now starting to become a factor. Benito blocked by Tubino. Semana, back set. Cases off the block, and it drops.
And don't look now. We are tied.
17 all. Sartin could not get there in time.
But you know, Joy Cases, I think she's a woman with a mission right now. She's been going for her shots.
Let's see if that energy sustains this rally by the Rising Suns. Good serve by Pineda, running attack to Bino, turned back there easily by Jen Manzano.
Wow.
And a timeout will be called by Sammy Akailar. This is getting uncomfortable.
Para kaya ano pa, pinasok ka para tumulong ka sa... Ha? Okay lang, sige. Pasahan nyo para makagawa tayo ng set play. Diba sa harapan ka? Okay. Siya to, pwede siya magsibat, pwede siya mag-running, bahala ka. Basta si Danny ka rito, okay? Good pass lang. Yun ang mga problema, pasa lang eh, ha? Pero pag may pumapalo sa atin, dapat merong nagpo-cooperate, okay? Tuloy pa rin siya, isa lang naman eh. Astro, pagtsagaan lang, pagtsagaan.
Well, the initial salvo was to April Sartin.
Yeah.
Who was supposed to be acting as the second libero there. Just a 1-point lead now for Cagayan Valley. Healthway Medical is the official medical partner of the Philippine Superliga. Thank you for your support for the first ever club tournament, or the club league, first ever club league in the Philippines. Hard time there for Jen Reyes to field that one. That leads to a free ball from Henrauli. Semana across. Cases off the block. Jen Reyes. April Sartin. Henrauli another free ball. They gotta cash in on this one, I think. Semana combination. Joy Benito. Nice block by Tubino.
What timing there by Honey Royce Tubino.
Tied at 18.
That's crucial, ah.
Right. And now it will be Rap Aguilar. That one hits the net. Manzano. Kept alive by Aguilar. Argarin. Henrauli. Henrauli still. Here's Argarin. Tubino took her eye off the ball.
That's right. She actually tried to look at who was blocking her.
Well, an unforced error there for Honey Royce Tubino. Now Sandra De Los Santos, not yet in. The rotation is not yet there. There's going to have to be a substitution here. De Ramos didn't make it. So here is Argarin. Tubino off the block, and that scores.
That's right. She makes up for that previous error.
Here's that substitution that was supposed to happen. Lisa De Ramos back in. Joy Benito sits down.
No, you know why they made a late substitution? Because they realized that they did not have a legitimate center.
That's right.
It was Benito and Cases and
Right.
Semana.
Janela. Semana. Here's your center, Lisa De Ramos. And Rowley through the block again. And that sent Lisa De Ramos back by about 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps. She would have made it all the way to Shaw Boulevard. Look at that.
It's just so much power generated by Henrauli.
20-19. 1 point lead now for Signal. Tubino. Semana had to dive for that one, and no third ball coming. 21-19.
Well, they need this as substitution because it was once tied already.
Right. Espelita checks back in, which now turns Semana into a spiker. 21-19. Honey Royce Tubino. And that one goes out.
Lucky break there for Cagayan. Just a 1 point lead though, Noel.
Anything can still happen here in this match as Lisa De Ramos now sets up to serve. Reyes, Argarin, Henrauli. Nice block by Cases.
Well, we are now tied.
Sandra rather, yes. Sandra with the block. 21 apiece. Lisa De Ramos. The to win. Argarin, Henrauli, Espelita, Semana, Cases, Reyes. Here's Danica Henrauli, and Henrauli drops it in.
That's right, down the line.
And Sartin will now take a breather as Bernal rejoins the front line.
Well, you know, if you're Coach Sham, you'd be really pleased with your rotation. Venus Bernal in front to end towards the latter part of this set. That's what you want.
But it's still a close match. Just a 1 point lead for Signal. Henrauli. Jonella had a hard time getting to that serve. So an ace for Henrauli.
Another error by Cagayan.
And now a timeout by Nes Pamilar.
Patas ng bola, pinanggagalingan naman.
Oh! Sabi naman sa inyo, kailangan rumisip muna. Paano tayo atake kung hindi kayo re-receive? Paulit-ulit na yan, oh! Kasi ang problema ay tanggapin sinasabi sa inyo.
Nes Pamilar is really not happy right now, and I think he's looking at Jack Jonella, of course. Those receptions by Jonella have not really been stellar. This is still not over, though.
Yeah, that's right. But someone's mad. Fuming mad.
Right. Here's Enrauli. Better reception there from Pineda. Cases off the block, and Reyes cannot get there.
That's the way to do it. You know, as Coach Ness said, how can we score points if we don't receive? He was already screaming.
Right. Here's Joy Cases. Reyes. Algarin running attack. Mitch that to win. Nice block there from Sheila Pineda. Bernal. Dug up by Espelita. Semana. Bang Pineda off the net. Reyes. Bernal.
Setting.
Oh, and Venus just drops it in front of Espelita. Now we have match point for Signal.
Just a smart play, but we got to give it to Jeneline Reyes. She even set that ball.
And now, the winning streak of Cagayan Valley officially under fire with this serve. Here's Espelita. Net violation against Sandra, and it's over. After winning 3 straight matches, it took 3 straight sets for Signal to end that winning streak of Cagayan Valley. 25-22. The final in the 3rd set. We'll be back to wrap this up after these.